What's up guys, and welcome to the second tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about creating an object. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go right to the top left and click. As obviously now we can just create a class if we need to. So the class name will be called puppy or whatever. Click this as well, so click finish. And now we have a class that we can start coding in. So if I go right to the top where it says public class puppy, after this I can type in public puppy, so capital P-U-P-P-Y, string name, and then curly braces, next line, system.out.println parentheses speech marks, name is plus and then name, which we haven't declared yet, but it will be declared. So close this off and now move to the next stage, which is right here. So I would say puppy, my puppy equals new puppy, and give him a name such as Tommy or whatever. And we can close this off. And we can compile this, but before you even compile it, let's just run through the program and see what's actually happening. So we have a program that allows you to create an object. Right at the top we have a constructor with one parameter called a name, and then right at the bottom we have a statement that would create an object called my puppy. So if I run this, see what happens. Okay, name is Tommy. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.